Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved, used, exciting Audi S1 Sportback Quattro. It comes dressed in the stylish Mersano red, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done just over 18,000 miles. Standing on 17-inch alloy wheels with the 5 parallel spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery and the iconic S embossed logo. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The cockpit showing key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of FM radio stations, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and the map so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display, radio to choose from your favourite FM radio stations to sing along to, media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, navigation to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease, telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go, and in the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Below you have the control pad for the MMI multimedia display, with the manual air conditioning to set the preferred temperature of the cabin, and stay connected with the 12-volt charging point, 2 cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek manual gearbox and handheld brake. This approved used Audi S1 Sportback is now available and on site. For more information please contact our sales team who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.